Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making Nigerian Jollof Rice. This is a very popular food of the Nigerian people and we're going to do this together. Let's go. For this purpose, we're going to be using some fresh tomatoes, some cayenne pepper, sweet bell pepper. We're also going to use habanero pepper, ginger and garlic, bay leaves, onions, crayfish. This is not compulsory. Tomato paste, thyme, curry powder, seasoning cubes, vegetable oil, and of course the rice, which I would first wash with hot water to get rid of some amount of starch. I'm going to start by washing the protein I'll be using beef. So I'm going to wash this thoroughly and of course put them in a pot and spice up with some chopped onions, salt, seasoning cubes, seasoning powder, curry powder. And I'm going to give this a very good mix so the ingredients will come together. I also added ginger and garlic paste and gave it a good mix also. And then I set it on fire to cook so I could get my stock water for cooking the rice. Then I blended the tomatoes, the pepper, the onions together. Then I poured the mix in a pot to cook and dry up. At this point, the meat was ready and I proceeded to fry it. In a dry pan, I poured some vegetable oil, added half onions, and then went in with some salt and of course the beef. Notice that I covered the pot while cooking the beef with oil because I needed to trap in the onion flavor and of course let the meat have an even golden brown color. Just take a look at that. It is ready at this point and I took it out of the oil. The tomato and pepper mix is also ready at this point and it was time to cook our Naija jollof. In a dry pot, I added my vegetable oil, some chopped onions, some bay leaves, and of course ginger and garlic paste, and I give this a good stir so the flavors can come out. Then I went in with some curry powder, some thyme, and I give this a good mix. I then went in with the tomato and pepper mix. I give this a good mix as well before going in with the tomato paste. I stirred properly so everything can have a very good and healthy interaction. Then I went in with some salt, some seasoning cubes, more of the seasoning powder, more of the curry, the thyme, the chicken seasoning, because jollof rice is all about flavors and spiciness. I give that a very good mix again and I went in with my washed rice. I took my time to give this a very good mix. When making your jollof rice, do you also mix at this point or do you just add your water? Let me know in the comments. When I was done, I added the stock water. Gave it a very good mix also. And I went in with more water. I added some blended crayfish. Remember, if you're making your party jollof, you do not add crayfish. But if you're making a regular jollof, you can add your crayfish. But do not fry so the crayfish does not give it a domineering taste or flavor. At this point, our rice is ready. There is no specific number of minutes you have to cook the rice. You just cook until it is done. You just have to love Naija jollof. This is the result. This is what it looks like. You can serve this with anything, with your plantain, with your salad. You can just eat it solo. Or you just have to agree with me that Nigeria has the best jollof rice in the world. This is the serving. Is this your first time of hearing about Naija jollof or even watching it being prepared? Would you like to try it? Let me know in the comment section. If this is your recipe, also let me know in the comment section, or you can share your recipe with me. I would really love that. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. Thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I also appreciate it if you'd give this video a thumbs up. It tasted really good. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.